Hi everyone. Just wanted to put out a video just to let you know why I haven't been able to do a lot of videos right now. We've been in the middle of transitioning into, we're building a new home. And so it's a modular home. We've had to build the foundation ourselves, and like been a lot of work going on behind the scenes. And I'm going to be filming when they do the crane, which is the 24th of this month. So my plan is to share that video with you so you can see our home being placed onto the foundation. So we're all really excited and nervous, of course. And then I plan on filming sort of our transition as we build a veggie garden and landscaping. My husband's building a garage. There's lots of happening. I'm focusing too on decorating. Obviously, I love doing that. So, and then I plan on doing more videos for you in my new kitchen. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're enjoying lots of my recipes now. And I look forward to doing more videos soon. So stay tuned.